Video 5: Statistical Verification of ChatGPT. Looking for OpenAI's ChatGPT Statistics 2023? If yes, then you are at the right place. Why? Because in this video, we'll share some amazing ChatGPT stats for 2023 that will blow your mind. Let's see some latest ChatGPT stats, facts, and trends. It took only a week for ChatGPT to attract 1 million users. ChatGPT has achieved an amazing milestone. It gained 1 million users in just 1 week. This was confirmed by their co-founder Greg Brockman on Twitter. Not only this, but OpenAI's founder Sam Altman also shared that GPT-3, Copilot, and DALL-E each had over 1 million users too. In 2023, ChatGPT is expected to earn $200 million. According to recent ChatGPT statistics, it's expected to make a lot of money for the company in the next few years. In fact, one research predicted that ChatGPT will bring in over $200 million in revenue by 2023 and even more, up to $1 billion by 2024. The value of OpenAI after the ChatGPT valued at $29 billion. OpenAI is becoming successful and valuable, partly thanks to Microsoft's partnership and investments. The tech giant invested $1 billion into the AI company and plans to invest another $10 billion soon. Microsoft is also considering using OpenAI's ChatGPT with its own search engine, Bing, to go head-to-head against Google. OpenAI website receives over 300 million monthly visitors. In November 2022, there were only around 18 million visits, but an impressive jump to 304 million was reported in December 2022, just after the launch of ChatGPT. From these ChatGPT statistics, it's clear that this visitor spike is only because of the ChatGPT. Microsoft Azure powered ChatGPT. Microsoft's commitment to artificial intelligence extends beyond simply investing in OpenAI. Through its cloud computing technology, Azure, Microsoft provides the essential computational power and resources needed for ChatGPT. Azure provides a reliable platform for OpenAI and ChatGPT to thrive, powering a vast amount of computing tasks they draw upon. In addition to Microsoft, LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman and Khosla Ventures are behind ChatGPT. The success of ChatGPT is because of the support it has received from some high-profile companies and individuals. Microsoft, Khosla Ventures, and LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman have all invested money into OpenAI's project. The support of these companies has allowed OpenAI to continuously refine and improve ChatGPT, making it one of the best chatbots available. ChatGPT is powered by the world's largest neural network. ChatGPT has redefined what AI can accomplish, training a comprehensive, large language model using only 570 gigabytes of textual data across the web. Indeed, ChatGPT is believed to be the largest language model ever, with 175 billion milliliters parameters. ChatGPT is not available in every country due to security concerns. Unfortunately, due to security concerns, ChatGPT is unavailable in certain countries, such as China, Russia, Ukraine, Afghanistan, Iran, Belarus, and Venezuela. However, those countries may eventually gain access after security concerns have been addressed. Until then, ChatGPT will remain inaccessible to them. ChatGPT is going to monetize soon. ChatGPT is currently free to use, but OpenAI's founder recently announced on Twitter that they intend to monetize the chatbot soon. The monetization will likely involve some kind of subscription service. It's exciting to see ChatGPT become a successful business, and it will be interesting to see how they incorporate a payment system while still providing a great user experience. ChatGPT language model training. ChatGPT is a language model that is highly advanced and utilizes the latest artificial intelligence technologies. It has an intensive training process that uses immense amounts of data, over 570 gigabytes, and requires 8 NVIDIA V100 GPUs and Microsoft's Azure AI supercomputing technologies. Here are more details about it. There are 24 layers in this model. Approximately 96 attention heads are present in this model. Many GBs of data were used to fine-tune the model. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.